This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is July 9th, 2019. This one here I gotta go do an AC job. This one here got another no cooling. We're on our way over there now, see if we can find out what's going on with it.
Turn left on Bridge Street, then take the first right.
Go over there and give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Oh yeah, we're gonna go give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Yeah, we will. Box is not even wrapped. I want to check the filter up here before we even do anything. I don't know if you guys can even see up here, but that's gotta be cleaned or something. You got a vacuum cleaner? Yeah. Alright, so I vacuumed it. You're gonna run out and get other filters, right?
Yep.
Alright. Come on up and I'll show you where they go.
Okay.
Good enough for now. Then we'll check the charge. This goes right in there. Just goes right in there like that. Alright, and this is the...
out like that?
Yeah, actually you can get a smaller one, but that's the way it is.
Huh.
Not the greatest setup in the world, but
No.
It's working, right?
Yep.
So we'll check the charge outside. This is the air. This is the return going in. So if there's an arrow, you want to put it this way. All right, and I'll check it. We'll turn it on and we'll check the charge outside.
Okay.
So it's cooling, but just not a lot.
Yeah, I mean it was hot a couple days, and that's where we noticed it really wasn't getting like below like 72 or something. Like
we'll turn it on, turn it down, and I'll check it outside.
Okay.
Should be 22. Yeah, it's 22. We'll check it. Check the charge. Be a TXV up in that unit. Subcooling. Needed the filter. She's gonna run out and get some filters. So we need to be 10 on the subcooling, 18 on the superheat. Suction pressure's fine. It's all good. It's all good right there. Could have said by subcooling because it's got the TXV. That's fine. Just needed a filter change. I vacuumed it for now for her. But that's all good right there. Not bad. Not bad for this neighborhood. Not bad for this neighborhood. We're good on the charge. I'll let these drop out. popped out, I'm good to go. That was a quickie. Gotta like a quickie.
Continue 1/4 mile.